Kimchi is a staple in Korean cuisine, much loved by the Vietnamese people too because of the fermented tangy spicy flavor profile. In this video, I'm going to share with you a few simple dishes that you can cook with kimchi to spice up your everyday meal.
Helen's recipes.
First recipe is kimchi and onion pancake. Very crispy with that kick of chili and onion. Very easy to make but super tasty. Finely chop half an onion, chop up the kimchi and some spring onion. Sift 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour and toss with the chopped vegetables. Next, mix 1 cup of all-purpose flour with half a cup of rice flour. Combine in a large mixing bowl with a 1/4 cup of the kimchi juice and 1 cup of water. Add the chopped vegetables that have been coated in the dry flour. Mix well and let rest for about 10 minutes. Add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan. Heat up the oil and ladle the batter into the pan. 1 ladle for each pancake. Pan fry until golden brown on both sides. Keep the heat low so it can cook through. Kimchi has its own strong savory taste, so you don't need any extra seasonings or spices for the pancakes. It already tastes really good on its own. You can dip in some hot sauce for extra flavor. So crispy, so good. For those busy days that you don't even have time to go shopping, you can make this quick kimchi fried rice with some leftover cooked rice and some kimchi in the fridge. Add a sunny side up on top, and voila, your hunger is satisfied. You will need 1 cup of leftover cooked rice, 1 cup of kimchi, 1 egg, 1 sprig of leek, half an onion, Korean hot pepper paste, some sesame seeds and soy sauce. Finely chop the onion and the kimchi. Cut the leek into thin slices on the bias. Heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large wok. Saute the chopped onion and leek until fragrant. Add the chopped kimchi and quickly saute for a minute. Then add the leftover cooked rice. Use a spatula to fluff up the rice. Season with 2 teaspoons of stock powder, a tablespoon of fish sauce, and a teaspoon of sugar to balance out the sourness of the kimchi. Toss well until the rice absorbs all that juice from the kimchi and turn to an eye-catching orange-red color. Transfer to a serving plate and top with a sunny side up egg. Garnish with a few sesame seeds, and your quick lunch or dinner is ready. Kimchi is packed with vitamin A and C, minerals, and can strengthen your immune system. Why not give it a try? Kimchi stew with pork and tofu is one of the classic Korean dishes that is loved by people around the world because of the bold flavors. You will need 1 cup of kimchi, 1 block of tofu, 100 grams of pork belly, 1 leek, some hot chili flakes, and garlic. Chop up the kimchi and thinly slice the leek on the bias. Thinly slice the pork belly and season with some stock powder, some minced garlic, pepper, and mix well. In a saucepan, saute some minced garlic until fragrant, then add the pork. Stir well and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until no longer pink. Then add the chopped kimchi and fill with water to barely cover the pork. Bring to a boil and cook for about 5 minutes. Add a teaspoon of hot pepper flakes and then add the tofu. Season with stock powder to taste and a tablespoon of fish sauce. Finally, add the sliced leek and turn off the heat. There you have it, just a homey and comforting pot of kimchi stew, perfectly served with a bowl of hot steamed rice, especially on those cold and rainy days. Have you ever tried Kimchi Spaghetti, a West meets East fusion dish that you can quickly pull off in just 10 minutes? For 2 servings, you will need 1 cup of kimchi, 300 grams of spaghetti, some lettuce, garlic, 1 egg, hot pepper paste, sesame oil, sesame seeds, some sugar, soy sauce, and hot pepper flakes or chili powder. Bring a large saucepan of water to a boil, add a teaspoon of salt, and cook the spaghetti according to packet instructions until al dente. Chop up the kimchi and spring onion. In a bowl, combine a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon sugar, a tablespoon of hot pepper paste, some minced garlic, and the chopped kimchi. Add some roasted sesame seeds, stir well, and then combine with the boiled spaghetti. Add some kimchi juice and a dash of sesame oil. Serve on a plate with half a boiled egg on top. Garnish with some chopped scallion and sesame seeds. You can add some cooked meat or cooked seafood if you like. So simple, but you're gonna be surprised when you have a taste. Let me know if you intend to give any of these recipes a try. If you enjoyed them, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. I will see you there next time. Bye!